Today we will do MCQs of chapter Digestion and Absorption. Question number 1. Abnormal frequency of bowel movement and increased liquidity of fecal discharge is known as A. Vomiting, B. Diarrhea, C. Constipation, D. Indigestion. So vomiting is ejection of stomach contents through mouth. Of stomach contents through mouth. B. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is abnormal frequency of bowel movement and increased liquidity of fecal discharge. C. Constipation. Constipation is when feces are retained within the rectum because of bowel movement is irregular. D. Indigestion. Indigestion is improper digestion of food, due to which there is feeling of fullness. So answer is B. Diarrhea. Next question. Maximum absorption occurs in which organ? A. Stomach, B. Small intestine, C. Large intestine, D. Mouth. So maximum absorption occurs in B. Small intestine. In small intestine, maximum absorption occurs in jejunum. Next question. HCl is secreted by which cells of stomach? A. Peptic cells, B. Chief cells, C. Parietal cells, D. All of these. So HCl is secreted by parietal cells, which are also known as oxyntic cells. They secrete HCl and Kessel intrinsic factor. This Kessel intrinsic factor is required for absorption of vitamin B12. Peptic cells or chief cells are same cells which secrete proenzyme pepsinogen. So answer is C, parietal cells which secrete HCl. Next question. Which of the following secretions is not released in small intestine? A. Bile juice, B. Pancreatic juice, C. Intestinal juice, D. Gastric juice. So bile juice, pancreatic juice and intestinal juice are released in intestine except gastric juice which is released in stomach. Next question. Pancreatic juice does not contain A. Procarboxypeptidase, B. Lipase, C. Nuclease, D. Nucleosidase. So pancreatic juice does not contain D. Nucleosidase, which is present in intestinal juice. Next question. Find the correct match. A. Nucleosidase, intestinal juice, correct. B. Nuclease, intestinal juice, this is wrong. Nuclease is included in pancreatic juice. C. Dipeptidase, pancreatic juice, wrong. Dipeptidase is included in intestinal juice. D. All are correct. So correct is A. Nucleosidase, which is present in intestinal juice. Next question. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to protein digestion? A. Proteins are converted into peptones in stomach, correct. B. Protein is converted into dipeptides in stomach. Wrong. Protein is converted into dipeptides in intestine. C. Peptones are converted into dipeptides in intestine. Correct. D. Dipeptide are converted into amino acid in intestine. This is also correct. So incorrect is B. Next question. Which of the following is correct about starch digestion? A. 30% of starch is digested in buccal cavity. This is correct. B. 70% of starch is digested in stomach. This is wrong. 70% of starch is digested in intestine. In stomach, starch digestion does not take place. C. Pancreatic amylase converts starch into disaccharide. This is correct. So answer is D, both A and C. Next question. Find the correct statement. A. Protein coated fat globules are called chylomicrons. This is correct. B. Fatty acid and glycerol incorporate into small droplets called micelles. This is also correct. And why they incorporate? Because fatty acid and glycerol cannot be absorbed into blood. So they incorporate into small droplets, which is called micelle. C. Both A and B are correct. D. Neither A nor B are correct. So answer is C. Both A and B are correct. Next question. Indigestion is caused due to A. Anxiety, B. Food poisoning, C. Overeating, D. All of these. So indigestion is caused due to anxiety, food poisoning, overeating. So answer is D. All of these. So we are done with questions of digestion and absorption. Thanks for watching.